welcome to school too. School too.
So, see, let me understand what you want to do now. How much should I give you?
My bill is 20,000 naira. What are you like this now? 20,000. You're bigger than it.
Now, just short time, oh.
I know. Fine, okay, you're not 10,000.
No. See, I will give you 5,000. I already have it. You see, you know you're a slave mama, but I will slay. You will like me. When I'm done with you, you will like me.
I'm making out to 5,000. Shall I bring it?
Hey. Hello. Hey.
It's 5,000 already.
Yay! Biko, walk to the front. Let me see what I'm even paying for. Hey! Hey!
Excuse
me.
What? Phone card?
After today.
Phone card?
Excuse me, sir.
Phone card?
We are from the Jehovah's Witness.
Jesus is Lord.
You need to, forget about women. There's nothing there. There's nothing there. You need to be aiming at paradise that everybody must get to. Leave women, leave drink, Join us, let's go around.
You will move out of this
I
house.
think he's saying the truth to do. Eh?
Oh my God.
And it's good for you to work for.
Phone card?
Take care of yourself.
Okay, wait. You say you're from where?
We are from.
You know you can be prosecuted for that.
We, Abi, I dey come. I don't. That babe. 5,000.
You will end up in McDonald's.
For you.
You will end up in McDonald's.
Sir, it's not about the money. You need to be aiming at.
School too.